You know, while I am waiting for my WWE 2K20 to install, I gotta get something off my chest. I am a fan of this person, and I still will be a fan of this person, but I gotta talk about this guy big time. And I'm talking about you, JD from New York. Look, I am a fan of your work. I am a fan of the shit you say. And yes, the stuff you say is agreeable. But there is one thing that you need to shut the fuck up about. And that's my favorite wrestling fan. And as a favorite wrestling fan of this wrestler, I'm talking about Seth Rollins. You see, I'm a fan of his. I will always be a fan of his. And for you and your brother calling him what's that called? Seth Clownins? Well, what the hell is wrong with you? Didn't you do this shit before? You didn't call him a clown, but you made fun of him. But you made fun of my other favorite wrestler, Roman Reigns. Not that long ago, until he had the leukemia. I mean, you did the same thing. The same thing. And now you want to get on Seth Rollins. And for what? I guess you don't remember how he conquered the Beast Brock Lesnar, especially SummerSlam, when he survived after being tortured by that guy on the last few couple of days on Raw. And he came back with a force and he beat the heck out of him. Stone Cold Steve Austin praised him. A lot of other people praised him. And might I add, so did you. You praised him after that SummerSlam victory he had against the Beast Brock Lesnar. But not anymore, huh? Like I said, I still respect you, but you talking about Seth Rollins, get a life. Because if Seth Rollins were to see you today, because if Seth Rollins were to see you right now, he would curb stop you until the oblivion of pain, of hell. And I know you're going to hear this. And I know you possibly going to play this on one of your off the scripts. And you know what? Go right ahead. I'll be listening. Because Seth Rollins is the man. Seth Rollins, he's a champion. And you are just nothing more than just a live stream guy. So I only got 3 words to say to you. Burn it down. And as far as the other stuff, I respect you, but this whole Seth Rollins thing and what I just saw today, you just looking for Seth Rollins to face you face to face and beat you down. And you know what? Good luck. So long live the Universal Champion, Seth Rollins. And if he be champion until WrestleMania, hey, fine. I can live with it, but obviously you can't. Cause that'll make you weak. And you know what? If it does, then it does. But that's all I gotta say. I'm about to play 2K20. Have a nice day, JD from New York. Later.